Hello everyone, I am happy to let you guys know that ARDR, one of the partners of eEstate, is now officially legally registered in the United Kingdom, which is in the UK. And this is part of their long-term vision, which they have already in their roadmap. Okay, so for those of you that are not really familiar with the Vision 2034, I will really recommend that you should go and get a copy of this Vision 2034 and read through this vision to see what the e-estate is looking to establish in the next 10 years, right? If you take a look at 2026, part of the roadmap, the global expansion and trust building, this is part of the plan for them to get ARDR registered in the UK. And for those of you that don't understand the meaning of ARDR, so ARDR is created to define and certify and support the profession of the digital real estate agents within a global investment ecosystem. So the good news is you can actually trace and track this registration that has been done in the UK. So if I go to the company website where you will be able to search for this ARDR into the search area here and search for this company, you will be able to see that ARDR has been registered. This is the company number, and if you want to actually go into detail to see the office registered address, you will see the office registered address here, and the company status says active, and you will see when it was incorporated. And of course, if you want to go further to check the people that are associated with this company, you will notice that Mr. Brandon Stevenson, which is the CEO of eEstate, is got his name there as well, right? So guys, this is great for people that are in eEstate. Is going to boost our confidence a lot for this great registration of ARDR and eEstate. So I just thought I should let you guys know about this new registration that has been completed in the United Kingdom, and they are now legalized in the United Kingdom as well. For those that are looking to join eEstate, I am still recommending that you guys should join today and begin investing and purchasing your fractional real estate. In eEstate, we earn daily income, right? Based on the fraction of the property that you have purchased. We can start from as low as $10. As you can see from here, they are telling you that you can start the Miami apartment with as little as $10. However, I don't recommend anybody to start with $10, because if you do start with $10, look at what you are going to be earning. You don't want this kind of earnings, right? This is just for you to test the platform, test how to deposit, test how things works. And then after that, you may want to consider to invest in this property. This is the one I recommend, this villa property. This is the one that will give you good money as a starting real estate, right? If you want to purchase a fraction of this. Now, the minimum to start this one is $3,120. Okay, and then you will be able to earn a floating rate of up to $19, and you are looking at about $400 every month, and you will be able to break even in 7 months. And you can purchase higher properties, okay, than this one. There are the ones that are higher than this. So if you go to Villa Mahu is starting with $4,950, and then you can go even further to Commerce. Commerce is $10,270, and you'll be earning about $72 every day, Mondays to Friday. Okay, the profit in eEstate is done Mondays to Friday. There is no Saturday or Sunday profit, just so you know. So as I said, just to reiterate what I have just mentioned, you can start eEstate with as little as $10. You can see it from there. Okay, this is $10, the minimum you can start eEstate with. However, you will start with higher than $10. That's the point I'm trying to make, right? You don't want to start eEstate with $10 because you are not going to make much money that is going to change your life, right? So if you want something that will change your life, you should think of investing and purchasing a fractional estate that is more than $10, right? So again, this is great. The Association of Digital Real Estate Agents, this has been registered, okay, already in United Kingdom, and is one of the partners of eEstate. As you can see from here, we have eEstate, we have Eli Property, and then we have ARDR that is among the partnership triangle here. So guys, this is great. Everything is being legalized and registered in different countries as part of the global expansion of eEstate. So I highly recommend that you use the link below this video description to join eEstate today. If you wish to be receiving 100% passive income hands-free, you do not have to do anything, right? You just have to register, complete your KYC, and then purchase your fractional real estate. Sit back, let the system generate income for you on a daily basis, Mondays to Friday. So if you would like to join eEstate, the link to do so is below this video description, and I look forward to seeing you in my team.